Did you know that fear is outside of ourselves? I was meditating about 15 years ago, and I had a choice between buying into this fear or choosing love. And it was based on the act of being loving towards myself. It wasn't about emotional trauma looping patterns that we have, or mental patterns, looping patterns that we have that we get stuck in. It was about me being at the precipice between two pathways in front of me. So I just made a decision to not listen to the fear and then hold the space of love. And then what happened next was pretty magical. I felt this energy just lift out of my body of this negative weight that I had a choice to hold on to, and I would have been holding on to it and playing off that record and then creating, a negative pathway for myself, where at that moment I had that powerful choice.